Hi guys. So I'm continuing my topic powers and exponents. As we have discussed in our previous video lecture, means what is the powers and what is the exponent and the laws of exponent already we have discussed. Now few applications which we are using in our daily life and other subjects also, like in science we are using notations. Okay, scientific notation, like suppose very huge quantity means very large quantity and very small quantities you are not writing like this 0.00008. Always you are writing in the standard form. This is the standard form, 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. This form we will call usual form and this form we will call standard form. Then both the numbers are same, but the forms are different. This form is standard form or scientific notation. This form is usual form, like whenever you are writing your science mostly, and in SST also, the distance from earth to sun, earth to moon, the size of nanoparticles, the size of electron. So always you are writing in the standard form only. So in this part, in this topic, what you will face, this is a little bit, we can say, kind of applications of powers and exponents. So guys, here I am telling you, first you will face two types of question in this. Means whenever given standard form and you have to convert in usual form, and another type of question you will get the usual form and you have to convert in standard form. So first main thing, these forms, this is the standard form we are using for very small number and very large number. Suppose I am writing 25. For 25 I will not write this standard form, 25 only I will write. So how to convert this standard form in usual form and from usual form to standard form? So both conversion I will tell you. First you see 8 into this, we can write 10 raised to the power 6 in denominator. Here 8 upon 10 raised to the power 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 0. And now when you will divide, all of you know this very simple divide is. So we will place decimal after, means from this side we will calculate 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we will place decimal and this. This is the usual form, guys. This is the usual form. This is from standard to usual. This we have done. Now usual form to standard form, how to convert? Suppose this is the question, and if I want to remove this decimal, then after this decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 10 left will come. 3 and 3. Now this is 8 only. Now this we can write 10 raised to the power 6. When this 10 raised to the power 6 will go upside, 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So this is the standard form. And one more thing related to this standard form. Suppose 25, this is the question, and this is usual form. And now if I want to write this in the standard form, then what to do? Means we need 2.5. Always after this decimal, means number of digits can be any, but before decimal only one non-zero digit must be there. Only one non-digit. Now suppose I want to write this number in the standard form. So if I will place here 0, see guys, if I want to place here 0, then what thing will come in multiplier and denominator? Suppose 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 and 3. 3 and 3 zeros are there. I want to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Because what? I want to place here decimal. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here decimal, so 7 digits. If we are dividing, then we have to multiply also 10 raised to the power 7. Now this number we can write 2.5 into 10 raised to the power, and this is the standard form. This is usual form, and this is scientific, or we can say standard form. So these two types of question you will face in this part, and one more little bit different kind of question, but I am telling you one more example related to this notation, means the last type of question which you will face in this topic, powers and exponent. Suppose two numbers are given, 1.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 and 0.56 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Guys, here direct trick is also there for this, which number is greater, which number is smaller. But I am telling you the method. Direct you can make by yourself also, direct trick. But I am telling you the which is the proper way. Okay, this if I want to write 6.5, so this 10 raised to the power 4 I will write here, and 0.56 this 10 raised to the power 3. Now you see guys, 1.65 upon 10,000 and 0.56 upon 1000. Now if I am dividing, then this decimal will be shift this side, so it will be 0.00. This decimal will shift 4 times, 1 time here and 3 times here, 165, and this decimal will shift 3 times only, 0.00056. Now you see guys, which number is greater after decimal. 0 here, 0 here, and then again 0, again 0, again 0, again 0. Now here I am getting 5, but here I am getting 1. So which one is greater? Obviously this number is greater. So out of them this one is greater. And the direct method is also there, but you guys will follow this method. So in this you will not face other than these kind of problems, means one from standard to usual and usual to standard conversion, and another which one is greater, which one is smaller. This also you can solve. So guys, you solve questions on this powers and exponents, and if you want to get questions, really you search on, you do Google and you will get question, and your exercise in your book you will see many questions are there. You solve those questions, and your doubts already you are sending. So bye guys.